One day a man went for a ride. He opened the door, turned the key, flicked on the headlights, and realized there was only one. So he looked for some bulbs on the interwebs and found he liked this more. Oh, hello, he thought. He purchased, and at the door there was a big red box. He took the box to his shop, pushed all work aside, and opened that box with a giant razor blade. Inside the box he found a tiny booklet that he decided he would not need. Upon inspecting the wires, he decided he may need that booklet after all. After deciphering the text of the booklet that read, "Professional installation only," he decided to get started. The man discovered there were only 3 bolts, and of course, always start with a 10mm. After adorning his skin with the correct protective measures, he removed the metal fasteners and discovered there's his problem. He brought the blinky light into the housing and stood back and decided he liked what he saw. He then inspected the difference between the old and the new and decided this one is next. Oh, the power of video editing. At this point in his journey, he realized his quest has been completed. So he closed it back up, took one more look, he turned the key, flicked the lights, turned on the hazards, asked another man for approval, and he said,
"They're good."
I hope that you enjoyed today's journey. If you think that future adventures might suit your fancy, then please consider smashing that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, I'll see you then.